All right, guys, so we have been putting these videos on hold because we've been busy, but it's pouring in Northern California, so we finally have some time to film the rest of these videos. So we got like rose or pink, blue, red, like a burgundy, which almost looks like this one. It's a little bit different. And we have silver. So we're gonna film these videos, hand cut installation of all four, and see how it comes out. Let's go. Guys, so the first color I'm gonna be doing here is, I don't know what it's called, like a pearl iridescent. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna do the driver's side on this car and see how it comes out. Okay guys, so I've installed the template and now you can see what it looks like. It like changes colors. Jared, I'll have you do a full walk around. We're gonna take it outside, see what it looks like. I'm tempted to like leave it on, but it's super illegal. I know I'll get pulled over and that's not the purpose of this video, but this is what it looks like. So let's go see what it looks like outside. All right guys, so this is what it looks like outside. Changes as you're moving. Pretty interesting. I think this one will be the most interesting one of the day today. All right guys, so what do you think? This is the chameleon, I think it's called, or iridescent pearlish look. So now I'm gonna take it off and try the next color. But it's raining, so let's get back inside. All done, pearl film. All right guys, so now we're gonna be doing an orange window film all in the car. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see how it looks. And orange window tint. Halloween themed. It's not Halloween, but let's pull it out, see what it looks like outside. Okay. Orange window tint. It's not as obvious as the other one. The other one was very like, bam, right in your face. But this could be cool for like a Halloween theme. So that's what we have. Orange window tint, not leaving it on the car. Let's go do the next one. Hey, you enjoying the video? That's great. We enjoyed making it. And if you guys want to continue to watch videos like this, then like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay updated with all of our newest content. Don't forget, we also sell window film. Not only is it a window film, it's the best window film you can buy in the market at the best price. Link is in the description below if you're interested in buying some window film. Now that that's done, let's get back into the video. All right guys, so we are going to be now installing the blue window tint. Let's see how it looks. I have been doing quite a few of these, so if you guys like it, comment, subscribe what you guys want to see next, but let's go ahead and finish with the blue and the pink, or chameleon, whatever this is. Okay guys, so this is the blue window tint. Very interesting. Don't really see the use for it in any application besides maybe some specific commercial use. But maybe if you own an aquarium, there you go. All right guys, so the final color in this little series we did is our red. So let's go ahead and tint this car with a red window tint. All right guys, so this is the end of the series. This is the end of all these videos. The red window tint could definitely be used for some Halloween occasion, some horror occasion. That's about the only thing I can think of. So looks interesting. Don't know if I'd recommend it, but it's cool for you to try once in a while, maybe for the right event. But that's it guys, red window tint. See you guys in the next video.